The word globalization has become a trend these last years. This complex conception that opened the possibility to connect resources and talent across the cultural and political boundaries in order to find new ways of creating value. This world has opened greatest business opportunities and also the greatest challenge we face. Being global is not as easy as it sounds. It involves entrepreneurial spirit and citizenship. Those qualities allow to create value through our connections and make a positive contribution to the communities we engage with. Why is important going global? Connect, create, and contribute. These three core tasks, along with the global mindset, are able to interpret and decode situations from multiple and competing points of view. The limits to learn about other cultures, care about other people's perspective, being perceptive about the economic and political issues around the world, and nurture relations with friends have a unique ability to transcend and cultivate trust. Nevertheless, this concept can be misunderstood. A global person utilizes their understanding and connections to create a better or cheaper product, improve the efficiency of a key process, access a new pool of resources, or serve a new market. But it is not the main purpose. A true global person contributes to the improvement of the multiple contexts in which they operate and especially don't exploit one community to benefit another. If being global is correctly implemented, we can find solutions that create multidirectional value and apply something to these bigger mechanisms based on bring prosperity to more. Globalization has brought unprecedented benefits to many, but not all. Millions of communities have escaped of hunger and poverty. Hundreds remain trapped in them. The solutions created have not been sustainable and inclusive. That is why these new generations of leaders have an immense responsibility to make the world not a business, but a solid base where everyone has an opportunity to learn, expand, and create. So here is the great question. How can we become global? We can start with baby steps that give us the preparation to develop on the world both professionally and personally. First, get inspired. Find a passion, and keeping ourselves inspired by different countries and cultures will give us the motivation to learn and integrate ourselves into the global community. Then, get educated. Build knowledge base for international happenings, taking courses, volunteering, or even join an international club. An interesting way to learn more is through food. Eat at different traditional restaurants, get to know the owners, try to learn about different cultures' cuisine. Of course, reading is a helpful tool. Whether it's on the news or social media, find veridical sources of information that we can get informed about. This will provide us some knowledge for global trends and increase exposure. Make greener choices like recycling, reducing waste, energy saving will have a positive impact on the environment. Easy actions like turning off lights, unplugging appliances when not in use, reusable containers, avoid using plastic bags, or even buying on second hand are great steps. Finally, learning a new language is useful and rewarding. We can gain an appreciation and insight into other cultures, being more aware of the cultural differences, why they exist, and the importance of respecting them. Being global is a continuous path of knowledge, but the more international involved we get, the better equipped we will be with global skills and expand our minded citizen. Of the following global leaders, we have the responsibility to be respectful of cultural diversity and human rights, being empathetic to causes and suffering around the world, feel responsible for our impact on it, but mostly make a change and look for equality for all, and consciously make fair choices and decisions. Doing good for others can improve our life satisfaction, happiness levels, and mental and physical health. Then, why not do it?